Hey, we're back. Okay, we got everything we need now?
Probably not.
Got all the wrenches out this time?
Better start at least.
Alright. Put this over here on my way so I don't fall down.
Before we get too far, I think we need that bottom piece.
It's impossible to be too far on this bike. What piece?
And all this nonsense.
That piece over there?
I think this stuff needs to go on here first, and then that comes
Okay,
in.
the rubber goes in there.
Because this fits up underneath it, right?
You got that rubber piece on your
Yep.
side. Okay, I'm just gonna put this up there and see what happens.
Alright.
It's really a pain in the ass getting this off, so.
Oh, I'm sure it'll be much easier going back on. How do you feel about that optimism?
Well, if I put together correctly, it would help.
Why would you want to do that?
Correct. See, I'm fighting on one side. There you go. Okay, they're now lined up. Rotates over. How's that brake line looking over there? Because that was all on my side.
This side like that.
Looks halfway decent.
I'm not sure until we dig in with the
That rubber. This has to be tilted a long way, so I'm not sure it's pulling stuff right now.
I do know that this one needs to come on here. That comes in right here. Before you get too far, I know the same. Just underneath it.
I'm pretty sure this is not supposed to be in there. Get that out. Oh, my finger there.
Yeah. Now, we don't want to be sliding this down until we get this fucker on here. Hold on, wait. We gotta click
Go up a little?
Yeah.
I'm holding it, just tell me what you want to do.
Yeah, this thing has to go on here first.
Should we close the whole thing up or what?
Yeah, it's gotta go up.
Nothing on
It's
one.
just, is this gonna be outside or inside here? I don't know. Here.
Pretty sure it goes somewhere over there.
There, like that, probably. This comes up here. Guessing that's supposed to go in there.
Pretty dickly over there. I don't think the brake line's supposed to be inside of that.
You know?
I don't know, maybe not, I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Definitely goes inside of that.
Under here.
Yeah, it's got that.
Goes under here.
Like that.
That's the part that's fighting it before.
In there with the rubber there.
Getting that thing apart, it's just bound up apart.
Let me get up there.
Okay, you got where you want it? Where we're belong is slide down 2 inches, so see if you're ready. I'm lined up on my side.
Don't come down, you smash my fingers.
Some drop on its own there.
Guessing this is supposed to come through. Is that going through the center or over here? I'm guessing that comes through over there. Oh yeah, remember this goes through here because it was fighting me. Before. Some of these out.
Exciting video here. What are you doing back there?
Okay.
You know what you're doing.
There it goes now.
Got it close now? Nope, it popped on that time. Looks close now.
This guy goes up in this rubber area.
Left that line has to go up there too. This has to go in there too. Not supposed to be running the whole damn thing, this needs to be inside the whole damn thing. What's keeping me from going all around the brake line? Okay. Yeah, mine's supposed to be on the inside of the brake line, to the outside. this one. That's this damn thing. Okay, that does not need to be in that direction. There's nothing holding that fairing up, so the drop leads some. All right, I got that line that belongs. Doing it there. He's getting naked. You see that? He's getting naked up there. He's getting excited, ready for a ride. You want to go back up a little bit, or are we good? Just slow down a little bit on you.
This is nowhere close to where it wants to live.
When we drop me down, I go down an inch. I have to go down an inch to where I need to be. So I'm just gonna wiggle it down.
Once you pull that thing off there for a minute, this thing has to get up here somehow. Like it's just biting hard.
Is that enough? I can hold it there.
It's pretty fine here.
Brake line's the hardest thing. Yeah, it was loose before, now you got it tight, remember it's different.
Okay. That's how that likes to live right there.
You're pushing hard on me, assuming it's falling down there, or what?
Yeah. Yep.
That's just about where it sits, another 1/4 inch maybe. I'm not sure, I can't see the holes. Okay, you good with that?
Yep.
Okay. That was easy, like no effort at all.
Looks like
That hole lines up, so you're in there.
Everybody lines up.
All the lines are in there where they belong.
Mission stuff looks like it's kind of where it wants to live. Little bolts must go down in here.
There you go, where it needs to be.
See this dash? Yeah, everybody's kind of fitting in here. Getting this to go into this is kind of, it's goofy. But that goes where it belongs. Everybody looks like she's. Then broke it.
What's that?
It's like for a walkie-talkie CB bullshit.
Okay. Alright.
Just sitting on things, breaking things.
Okay, this is not lining up over here. Okay, that one started.
I was gonna say, let's not go too far in case this stuff comes back off.
I'm just trying to get
Seems to be
the
a
lower one started here to hold everything up. Get two on my side. My side
Alright.
pretty lined up earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there you go. Put that one in there. And the top one needs to, you need to push this way a little bit right here. There we go. Okay, those are all in there.
Alright.
Now we got little Allen screws here on the side. Those in?
I know we were missing one. This one was missing, so I'll probably gotta figure out what I got over there and get another one or something.
Well, I can put an Allen in here. I'm assuming.
I think that probably goes inside the fairing. That definitely does not belong there.
Okay, we need something like this. It needs to be a little bit longer.
That's part of the 4 bolts that go inside holding the fairing to the brackets and stuff up there, remember? Okay, if you wanna take this up, come down on. Maybe we should put these little bolts in this that holds us in its spot.
Okay, what bolts? Those are in the box over here still?
It's got that little face. I don't know what is what here. Let me see this stuff. Okay, that face stuff over there.
Mm-hmm.
And the ignition, all that stuff. I wonder if these go up here. It almost looks like we have some sort of.
Okay, you got the box. You got the
Maybe
box.
not. Maybe it's just being held down. Maybe not.
I think it just pops in there.
Yeah, because I don't think it's flat. I don't
It
think
just
you can
pops
have
in, a
a-
little couple of stops on the back. That can go in later. I don't see any reason to put that in now.
Goes like that. Is there something underneath that?
Nope, everything else is key switch.
Okay, so let's just hold it like that. Take this back.
That one is sorted. Was that sorted? That goes over there. There's the pivot pin for that. I don't care about that thing. I don't know what that is. You got this L-clip thing over here. I still don't know what that's for.
That's for the gas tank.
Okay.
The gas tank lid, spring, all those things go together, yeah. does what it's supposed to, Tatro.
We got 3 washers laying out here for something. Okay. So what do you need to hold together with the hardware? What are you missing? What goes inside?
I think there's only those 4 bolts.
All I got here is 4 Allen screws. You said they didn't go there. You'd think this would be some kind of a trim screw out here.
Yeah, this is the black ones, I think. Probably has to do with.
These aren't big enough.
No, these. I know what these are. It's probably these. Here,
These are 1/4 inch.
It's these. It's gonna be these guys right here.
Okay, yeah, those are 1/4 inch.
So that probably goes right there, right?
Probably that Torx head probably in there.
Yep.
Okay, is that the same?
Got like that.
Is that Torx right now? That's Allen
No.
right now.
Torx stuff is over here.
Okay, the Torx.
Let's get it here.
No, there was a couple Allens over here somewhere that we had to put in, all the way up on top. So we got the one up here for sure. There's another one somewhere in this area that was an Allen, wasn't there? That we took out? Don't know.
I know one of those was missing, so I stole that from somebody else.
Where's the other 2? Oh, there's the Allens, right here. This should have some kind of a washer right in here. We need there's 2 washers over there. Go grab me 2 washers. You only had 3
We
washers.
got washers. We bought washers.
Yeah, I know, but grab me those 3 over there. There should be 4. Must have lost
What
one.
you're looking at, this guy here? Is this what you're looking for?
The 1/4 inchers.
That one we're never gonna find now?
The one that's right there. We got something different.
That's something different. It's a low washer. But the good news is we bought these. Oh, here it is. You think that's in there?
Okay, we need 4 of those for this. Someone's over here banging on the door wanting in. Oh, there's 3 of them over here.
What are you saying, you want larger washers than what we got over here?
Well, it needs to be 1/4 inch. That's not 1/4 inch, is it?
Yeah.
Fit?
But, I mean, they already have washers on them, all 4 of them.
No, see here? Plastic. We need big washer. On the top, when you put that Allen, or that plate up there, so we can use a thin one without a problem, but down here, we need a fat one. It's just gonna squish the plastic away, which it's already doing. We bought washers. We have washers over here.
Doesn't look like it's about a 1/4 inch, so.
It's the smallest one. We didn't say they were good fitting, we just said they were washers.
It's already got a washer on top of it anyways, so this will actually work fine.
The top 2 are probably fine, but the bottom 2 we need 2.
So you got a washer there.
You know, these plastic pieces here, we need to support it. Okay, I'm holding it right there down, so it'll fit in there. Up here, you got that piece you made, so it's fine. Doesn't need to have a thick washer on it. Should be on the money. Let's get the Allen wrench.
Doesn't feel like it's on the money.
Well, it's on the money for a Harley part. It's lined up pretty close.
Weird boogered threads. It's
Use
like
a
it's
different
supposed
one
to
if you don't
catch on the
like
way out.
We'll get the long Allen, use the power tool. Where's the Allen? The Allen's right there, just use it. Use the wrench, it's already got one on it. Just grab the wrench and use it. Do everything the hard way.
Just strip it on in, is that what you're saying?
No, you line it up, you use the darn, take the ratchet off, just spin the extension and then line it up. You gotta line it backwards. Gotta go way back. All right, I'll be back.